You lost me, man.
Alright, dude, let me just tell you. Things come and go. Money comes and goes, t-shirts come and go. Sometimes there's greater forces at work than we're aware of. You know what I mean? You just gotta roll with those fucking punches. You know? Damn. Just got really deep on me, man.
We ready to rip?
Ready to rip. Let's go racing, boys.
Let's do it.
Oh, but it's the GTP. It's got the GTP.
Arriving at this place right now.
Giant trash.
Sun Foods.
This man's just like, why are you filming me? Oh, the slammed bimmer. Where? Oh my God, right there. Look at this sun. VTEC. Oh, that's some fucking. The Sonata with the side stripes. Oh my God. The Darts of America. Stop. The Darts of State.
How the
Next
fuck?
to this slammed 7. Luke, bro, you're good, you're good, you're good.
I don't even know what to film right now.
All of it. Film the rice.
A lot of people here.
Yeah, it's pretty busy tonight. Jake.
Hey,
Good shit right there. Worth purchasing.
Food. We gotta find some people. We gotta find some people to talk
Luke,
to.
you better unlock your car.
Cop count.
Ben, you gotta get a can. No. Why? Because I have taste.
Cop count number 2.
We gotta get the piece count too. Every time we see just a piece of shit. Well, there's one. Fucking start the count now, boys. That thing was actually not.
Alright, so we're gonna play a little game. So we'll start with me. Every car that passes.
We're not doing this.
Andrew.
We're not doing it.
Why?
I'm sorry.
Why? Well, someone was burning the hell out of their clutch.
Yeah, hashtag Miata.
It was probably that little RC car.
I got that.
Yeah?
The man behind the camera most of the time.
That's me.
Big old bit.
She's in my hands again.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, Luke wants to take her.
Some vlogging.
Alright, well, we're here at the races and the squad. Everyone say what up. Come on, come on. Give Minnesota some love. Justin's just always salt.
Ben's always complaining. Andrew's always behind the camera. Cole Mayer is always.
No, Ben's never complaining. He's always just making fun of people.
He's always got the
This
fucking.
kid's always in a good mood.
Always.
100% of the time.
I'm always giving
What do you got there?
everyone shit.
What do you got there?
I got a motherfucking brisk, or a half and half lemonade, and
Yeah,
nice.
Brisk, if you want to sponsor us, we're totally down.
Oh my, yes.
Fucking two or three or day.
sponsor us now.
If
Look
you
at me,
hear
I'm
us,
drinking
yeah.
this shit.
Oh yeah.
Cop count number 3. Hey, we're doing cop count tonight, so.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Yeah.
That's 2.
What number
We're
is
at
that?
2.
No, that's 3. That's 3.
Alright,
That's
hey,
3.
let me be the official counter from now on. Ready?
No.
3.
Let's take a walk.
Even though it's the same
We're gonna go take a walk.
We need to go look at that GTO.
We gotta go look at some cars. See what we
Battery's
can find.
The battery's gonna be.
Is there really your lights on?
Gotta get this BRZ.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Gross.
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
It's reckless right now. Look at all the bikers. In the list right now.
Photo over there.
Excuse me, you're in my way back there. I think I might have to.
How's it going, bud? Getting the list right now so we get all of the spots nice and safe so we can see all the races tonight.
We got the list, boys.
We
That's
got
the first
it.
part. That's the first part.
Look at this Civic wagon right here.
Oh yeah. Look at that banana. Yes. Look at that banana.
The banana shift knob. this thing?
Bigger than mine.
But generally, you think what you hear on the radio is terrible.
I think basically it's a product, and the reason why...
Too much Honda. Way too much.
Good amount of Honda. You're back at the cars.
Hey everyone. So if you see us walking around next week, and if you guys come to Sun Foods constantly, say something to us. Be like, what's up? I've seen your YouTube videos. You know, you can talk about your car really quick. You know, you can, you know, say something.
Just look for the big annoying camera.
Look for the stickers, the Misfits Minnesota, the banners.
Say what up.
Do it. Oh.
Look, some rest. I paid for that.
I got it.
Luke, I bought this brisk for you. Don't mistreat it.
Ambulance count.
Dash,
Hey, who's
it
got
is
the time?
11:53.
11:53.
11:53.
Almost about that time. So loud.
Big one.
Cop number 4. Creeping.
And time to leave.
Get Jake and Cole back here. We're getting shut down.
Oh,
And we're literally getting...
there she is. We're getting shut down. People are lighting off fireworks.
Sunday.
Looks like we're heading to the races. Perfect timing because my battery is about to die.
Love it.
Look at all this muffage right now.
Oh, he's gonna watch the curb rush. Watch the curb rush. It's gonna be bad.
So we lost Cole and them. This night though, it's unbelievable.
This is it's usually not like this. This is like backed up. Nothing's moving.
I see lights.
We had to pretty much plow our way through to just get on this street.
Oh no. It was the wagon. Oh, brakes. Woo, sketchy.
Alright, so I give it 10 minutes and we're busted, so this is the first spot. Second spot I give it probably 10. Then the next spot will probably be lit for a little bit.
I'm on the curve right now. I'm right here.
On the right or left? I see it.
Right here, on the left. Right here. I'm waving.
There you are.
Please park behind me.
Alright, go park behind me.
Bye.
See ya. Pulling in right behind the GTR and the Evo.
Arizona plates.
Alright, we're here at the first spot. Most likely the cops will come immediately, but we'll see. Last weekend, there's a few polls, but most likely the cops come immediately. And everyone is really, really fucking loud and gets us caught every single time because that's karma.
Here they come.
I was wrong, Andrew. There's races, and there's a fucking Jeep right in the way.
Oh my
Way to ruin the
god.
race, bud.
So we're going close to the start.
We're running back.
Get some better clips. The helicopter scouting out right now. Scared.
Hey, hey.
This is literally the longest we've ever been at these spots right now.
This is the spot we called Boulevard. Of course that'll be beeped out, but literally we're only here for like what, 2, 3 poles in the cops show up?
Honestly.
Because we're really close to where we started. And there's a Civic, no surprise. But
They're everywhere.
But we might be here all night. We've been here for what, an hour?
Yeah, I'd say an hour.
Still going on. Still going on.
People are looking at us like we're weird right now. GTR's rolling out. What was that noise? A 240. And he's drifting over there.
What? Oh shit. Oh, Dirty Money's gonna run him over! Oh, Jeff! Hi, Jeff!
GTR number 2 rolling out.
Nixie, right?
Yeah, I don't know how much more of this I can get. It's pretty,
It's not lame. It's
very repetitive.
yeah, you can
Very
only take so
repetitive.
much, like, you know.
Is the mic on?
The mic's on. The mic is, yes. Yeah, it's on.
Is the mic on?
The mic's on.
All right.
It is.
That's my fucking job, you fuck ass.
I say we hop in the race car and call it a night.
All right, boys, let's get the hell out of here. Everybody's loading up right now.
Peace out to the races.
Peace out.
It's a mediocre night.
I want you to look at that like shadow right there. Black, red. Soy sauce.
Let's hit
with
the
that?
road.
It was 1:25 a.m. and I say there was probably a solid 40 pulls or so. Like that's a lot for this first spot because the cops usually can follow pretty easily. So we're going home now. We're calling it a night.
But generally, you think what you hear on the radio is terrible.
I think basically it's a product, and the reason why.
He wants to do a pull.
Then in the cop station. Holy shit! Did I just pull on him? Hey!
Hey, I will turn off too. I wouldn't want this problem.
Did you go to Sun Food tonight? Yeah. You did? Alright man, hey, we'll see you around.
Bringing her back home. So we made it back to the house. We left. We only went to one spot. It was good. We were there for, how long do you think we were there for? About an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. It was good. We got some good pulls.
That's a wrap for me.
It's a good night, sir. It's a good night in St. Paul.
I had a fun time in the back seat.
It's a typical night here in Minnesota on Saturday.
It was lit.
Oh!
It was fast.
Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching. Take it easy. Peace.
Peace. Peace. Like, subscribe, and comment. Misfits, Minnesota.
Below.
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 Hey, he's kidding. He's kidding. He's a nice man. Hey, back in your cage. Back. He's an angry elf. He's got an angry elf on aisle 12.